Now, Caliban is saying, I will swear upon that bottle that I will be that true subject. Caliban is saying that I will swear, I will swear by God, I will swear by this bottle, I will take oath by this bottle, I will abide by this bottle, that I will be your true subject, because I think the liquor that you are carrying along with you is not earthly, it is something heavenly. So Stefano says then that if you are saying that it is heavenly, then I am asking this man Trinculo, to take an oath and tell me, take an oath by this bottle, solemnize this bottle and taking an oath and tell me how you have escaped from the sea storm. Trinculo, some assured man like a duck. Since Trinculo is a small man, he is a clown, he is saying that I had swum and reached the shore, like just like a duck reaches the shore, the same way I have reached the shore. I can swim like a duck, I will be sworn. He is saying I can swim like a duck, I will swear by that I can swim like a duck. I am not going to swear by the bottle of wine, but I can swear that I can swim like a duck. Stefano, here kiss the book. Kiss the book over here means book, write down the meaning means bottle. Here kiss the bottle. Though thou canst swim like a duck, thou art made like a goose. He is saying that you should kiss the bottle. Though you can swim like a duck, you look like a goose. You don't look like a duck, you look like a goose. Trinculo, O Stefano, hast any more of this? O Stefano, do you have any more wine along with you? Do you have you any more drink along with you? Stefano, the whole butt. The whole butt means the whole casket, the whole basket that is full of the cask that is made, in which we fill the bottle, in which we fill with liquor, bottle of liquor. I have that entire casket along with me. My cellar is in the rock, is in a rock by the seaside where mine is hid. How now, moon calf, how dost thou age? Write down the meanings first. He is saying my cellar, my storehouse is in the rock by the seaside. I have stored all the bottle of liquor near the seaside in between the rock, in between the mountains. I have hidden the bottles in between the mountain. Where my wine is hid, I have hidden my bottles near in between the rocks. How now, moon calf, how does thine og? Right down, he is saying moon calf means foolish monster, is the aching of your body over. Og means aching, means is the aching of your body over, the pain that your body suffered by drinking wine. Have you got some relief from that pain? He is asking this monster, that is Caliban. He is asking Caliban that did the drink that I had offered to you and you had drunk, did that drink give you some sort of relief from the pain that you were suffering from? Caliban, hast thou not dropped from heaven? Now Caliban is inquiring from Stefano that have you not come from heaven? Have you not come from heaven? Stefano, out of moon I do assure thee. Surely I have come from the moon, I can assure you. I was a man the moon when the time was. I was a man in the moon, because once I was a man in the moon. He is a drunkard, so he is in drunken state. He is speaking all this. He is saying, once I was a man when I was in the moon. Caliban, I have seen thee in her. I have seen you on the moon. Caliban is saying that he is saying that I have been on the moon. So Caliban is saying that I have seen you on the moon. I have seen thee on the moon. And I do adore thee. I do adore thee. I do admire you. I do admire you. My mistress showed me thee and thy dog and thy bush. My mistress means the daughter of the master, the daughter of my master, that is Miranda, that is Prospero's daughter, showed me that you were there in the moon along with your dog. Caliban, come swear to that. Kiss the book. Come swear to that means come again take the oath by swearing upon the bottle of wine. I will furnish it anon with new content. Swear. I will furnish it means I will fill the bottles with more liquor. I am assuring you. But first you have to take an oath. You have to pledge by it. Trinculo, by this good light, this is very shallow monster. I am afraid of him. By this good light means Trinculo is saying in the name of this light, that is the sun. They are here in this part of the island during the daytime. He is saying that Trinculo is saying that I am swearing by the light of the sun that he is not a very good monster. That he over here means Caliban. Caliban is not a very good monster. And I am afraid of him. I am very much scared of him. A very weak monster, and he is not very brave. He is very weak. The man eat the moon. The man eat the moon. Write down the meaning. The man, a feeble-minded monster, but believes that Stefano, a man eat the moon. He is a very weak monster. He is very weak monster. He is not brave enough because he is the one who is thinking that it was Stefano who was there once on the moon. He is saying this because he knows that Stefano was drunkard and it was not possible for Stefano to be on the moon, but Stefano is actually pretending that he was once on the moon, and that upon that Caliban has agreed to. That is why he is saying that Stefano is that Caliban is a very feeble-minded monster and he is not able to understand anything. A most poor credulous monster. Write down the meaning of the word. Credulous means gullible, means funny. A most poor and funny monster. Well-drawn monster in good sooth. Write down in good sooth means in good truth. Well-drawn monster in good truth. You have got a good drink monster, and that is true. Whatever drink has been given to you, the bottle of wine, the wine that has been given to you, the drink is good, that is true. But whatever else this monster Caliban was speaking about Stefano, that he was once there on the moon and that he had seen him and that he was there with his dog and a bush, that is not true. That is actually not true. And he is saying that he was shown that the daughter of Prospero, that is Miranda, the mistress who was there in this part of the island along with him, had shown him. That is not true, and that is what Trinculo is saying. That proves that Caliban is not a very brave monster. Rather, he is a feeble-minded monster. Caliban, I will show thee every fertile inch of the island. Every fertile inch of the island means every part of the island where we have some sort of cultivation, where we have some sort of farming. I will show you every inch of this island. I will show you every part of this island which is suitable for farming, which is fertile land. I will show you all that. I will kiss thy foot, I pray thee, be my God, and I will always be in your service. I will kiss thy foot means I will always render my services to you. And I request you, I pray to you that you should be my master, you should be my employer, you should keep me as your slave, you should keep me as your servant. Trinculo, by this light, a most prophetess and drunken monster. By this light, write down the meaning. Light means by the light of the sun. I am telling you, keeping in mind this clear light of the sun, that he is most prophetess, means faithless monster, and faithless and drunken monster. Prophetess means faithless and drunken monster, a person who could not be relied upon. When God's asleep, he will rob his bottle. When God's asleep means when the person who has given him employment, that is Stefano, when he will fall asleep, when he will go to sleep, then he will start stealing the bottles of wine from him. Then he will start stealing the bottle of wine from him. That is why I am saying he is most perfidious monster. That is treacherous, faithless monster. Caliban, I will kiss thy foot, I swear myself thy subject. I will swear myself thy subject. I will kiss thy foot means I will always be there in your service, and I am taking an oath, I am solemnizing that I will always be your servant. I will always be a subject to you. I will always be your servant. Come on then, down and swear. Come on, then kneel down and you should take an oath. Then you should swear. Trinculo, I shall laugh myself to death at this puppy-headed monster, a most scurvy monster. I could find in my heart to beat him. Now he is saying that it is such a funny state where this man is ready, this monster is ready to be Stefano's slave. It is such a state that because of this condition, because of this situation, I can die of laughing because of the foolishness of this monster who has a brain just like a puppy, who is not mature enough to realize that Stefano cannot be his master, and I think he is a puppy-headed master. That is why he is saying that Stefano is a puppy-headed master. Caliban is a puppy-headed monster. Because he is very stupid. The way he is behaving is just like a puppy behaves. And that is why he is saying he is a puppy-headed monster. I could not find in my heart to beat him. Means I could not bring myself to, I have a mind to give him a beating. Means I cannot believe that he is reacting in such a manner, and what I am thinking is that I should beat him up. I should give him some beating. I should thrash him. Stefano, come kiss, gives Caliban drink. Stefano says, come kiss my foot, come fall down and be my subject. Trinculo, but that the poor monster, in drinker and abominable monster. He is saying that the wretched monster is drunk. He is not mentally stable because he is drunk right now, and else he is a disgusting monster. He is saying because Caliban has agreed to be Stefano's subject, but Trinculo is saying that he is very disgusting, he is not faithful monster, and he is now ready to be his slave at present because he is in a drunken state. He is not fully conscious of himself. That is why he is ready to be his slave. Caliban, I will show thee best springs. I will show thee best springs means I will show you all the waterfalls, fountains in this part of the island. I will pluck thee berries. I will pluck berries for you. I will bring berries for you. I will fish for thee. I will catch fishes for you and get thee wood enough. I will fetch you fire. A plague upon that tyrant that I serve. I am cursing that person. I am cursing that master of mine whom I am serving at present, that may he be hit by the disease of plague. I will bear him no more sticks. He is saying that I am not going to bear him any more sticks, any more wood. But follow you, I will follow you, thou wondrous man, who is a wonderful man. You are a wonderful man, and I am not going to be a slave to Prospero anymore. Rather, I am going to be your slave. Trinculo, a most ridiculous monster. Trinculo is saying that he is a most ridiculous monster. This Caliban is a very ridiculous monster, to make a wonder of a poor drunkard he is such a stupid monster that he has made this drunkard, this man, that is Stefano. He has made Stefano he is assuming Stefano to be a wonderful man, and that in that assumption lies his stupidity. That proves that he is a most stupid monster. Caliban, I pray thee, let me bring where crabs grow. I pray thee, let me take you where crab apples grow. Crab apples means berries and apples grow. Crabs means berries and apples grow. And I with my long nails will dig the pig nuts. I with my long nails will dig from the ground the ground nuts. I will use my nails to dig the ground and bring out ground nuts for you. Show thee jay's nest and instruct thee how to snare the nimble marmoset. Write down the meaning first. Jay is a bird. He's saying, I will show you where jay's nests are, and then I will tell you how to entrap busy-tailed monkey called marmoset. Marmoset means a busy-tailed monkey, a long-tailed monkey. That monkey is known as marmoset. So he is saying, I will tell you how to entrap the busy-tailed monkey called marmoset. I will bring the clustering filberts. Write down the meaning of the word filberts. Fruits of the hazel tree. I will bring the two clustering filberts. I will take you to the place where hazel tree grows. I will take you to the place where hazel tree grows. And sometimes I will give the young scamels from the rock. Scamels means seagulls. Seagulls, I will get you young seagulls from the mountains. Wilt thou go with me? Will you accompany me? Will you come with me? Stefano, Stefano says, I pray thee now, lead the way. I pray thee now, you move forward, and I will follow you without any more talking. And you should not tell me anything more. You should not anything more. Instead, you should advance forward, and I will follow you. Trinculo, the king, and all our company is being drowned. Now Stefano is telling Trinculo that Trinculo, the king is drowned, and everyone, whoever was traveling with us in the sea, in the ship, has drowned. We will inherit here. We will inherit means we will take the possession. We will take the control of this island. We will take the control of this island. Here, bear my bottle. Here, carry my bottle. Fellow Trinculo, we will fill him by and by again. We will fill this bottle again and again with the wine. Caliban sings drunkly. Farewell, master, farewell, master. He is saying farewell to Prospero because he is not ready to serve as Prospero's slave anymore. Trinculo, a howling monster, a drunken monster. He is saying, Trinculo is saying that what a howling monster, what a drunken monster this monster Caliban is. Caliban, no more dams I will make for fish, no fish in firing. He is saying that I will no longer dam up streams to fetch fish for Prospero. Neither will I bring any more fire for him whenever he requires. No scrape, trencher, nor wash dish. Ban, Caliban. Here a new master, get a new man. Freedom, heyday, freedom, heyday. Freedom, heyday, freedom. He is saying, Caliban is saying that I will not carry out any orders. I am not going to make fuel for Prospero anymore. I shall no longer clean wooden plates, neither will I wash his dishes anymore. And now Caliban has got a new master, and this is an independent day. This is a sort of independent day for Caliban. Stefano, O brave master, lead the way. O gallant master, you should follow and you should move forward, and we will follow you. And here the scene ends. Is this much clear to all of you? Is there anything which is not clear? Is there anything which is not clear? Okay.